Hey, this is Jason, KO4DDG. Today, we have a unique problem. EFEST V8 battery charger. And the thing is, I'm a truck driver, of course, so in my truck, whenever I key the CB, all we hear is this constantly, because of the RF getting into it. And we have a couple battery slots that don't work. So today, we're going to tear into it and see why it's not working. Of course, that's going to work, isn't it? Huh. Yeah, this one. We got good production value today. Anyway, stand by. First, we want to remove these screws. Now, I got the screws removed to try to combat this problem with the little chirping every 30 seconds after you key up your CB. It's called a ferrite bead on a power cable. But it's just not enough to combat that. So something in this circuit is causing the issue. So let's try to figure out what's causing it or remove the speaker so it doesn't do it no more. Now to get to the back side of this board, these springs are holding the board in. So you have to undo every single one of these springs. You can do so by using a little flat blade screwdriver. Your needle nose might be better. Get a small needle nose. Just pull it back towards you. Probably better with two hands. Stand by. Now that they're all removed, this board should just come right up. Should. Actually, we got two screws in the front here holding that on. So let's undo those screws. And we also have a screw here and a screw here you have to undo. And we had a screw right here as well. So just make sure you look around, get all the screws out, and then it will lift right up. Okay, those coils are taking in all the RF, and that's what's causing all the issues. Those are like mini one-to-ones. Actually, that's a lot of wraps. Let's see, that looks like it's slightly bent. So is that making contact? Explore that further there. Where is that speaker at? It's a good question. I might have to plug it in and push some buttons and see where the sound's coming from. I didn't have to do that. It's staring right at you. Right there is a sound maker. And it's not a simply clip of wire. I'll have to unsolder that speaker. Let's move this to the bench. Okay, now we're at the bench. We can begin to remove this. So you put your fingers on it. Let me melt this solder. You start feeling it loosen up. The other side's not loosening. Yeah, let's get a pair of pliers on it because it's getting hot. Using some needle nose here. this side's doing. There we go. There, it's off. Okay, so now we flip it over, fix the solder mess. There we go. Looking good. Take a minute and inspect the board, see if I see anything wrong. Anything obvious like blew out capacitors. Besides that being loose, and this is the plastic shroud that's loose. It's gonna be good connection. Alright, let's put it back together without the speaker. Let's go back to the other bench. Okay, you're going to put it back together in reverse how you took it apart. You're going to put the screws back in and put your springs back on each one of those. Okay, with that being done, just put your cover back on, line up with the DC port. Push down, make sure the screen is straight. And put the rest of your screws in. Now for the moment of truth, let's plug it in. Alright. Look, no more button, no more beep, 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 beep anymore. It's still probably going to flash the screen if it gets RF in it though. Everything touch still works. It's 3, 4. Change the mode, hold it down, change. Hit mode again, there you go. So this was Jason, KO4DDG. Thank you for stopping by my channel. If you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe. We'll catch you next time. 7-3.